The NutriChef Air Fryer Model 13 Quart is a versatile kitchen appliance with the ability to defrost, broil, roast, bake, steam, grill, and barbecue, making it perfect for a variety of foods including chicken, steak, ribs, fish, and shrimp. This air fryer offers a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods, as it requires little to no oil and has been laboratory tested to prepare meals more efficiently. One of the standout features of this appliance is its high-powered heating element of 1200 watt, which coupled with adjustable temperature settings ranging from 149 to 482 degrees Fahrenheit ensures rapid and even cooking. The NutriChef Air Fryer offers a large cooking bowl capacity of over 13 quarts, making it suitable for preparing meals for the whole family. Safety is a priority with this model, featuring an automatic power-off feature and a construction made from easy-to-clean, stain-resistant stainless steel and ceramic glass. The air fryer is also praised for its ability to crisp food perfectly on the outside while keeping it moist on the inside, making it excellent for making fries and chips.